I will show you. Oh, yes. Oh, your mind now you can.
Good morning, class. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Why the noise? You're supposed to be studying. Agbo, what class is this again?
Teacher. This is Pramito Pink. Why are you laughing?
I knew your answer was going to be very terrible. But anyway, down to the business of today. We're having a new student.
I thought we don't accept new students in necessary class.
Well, Nelson, please can you come in? Okay, Nelson here is going to be joining us, and also he's going to be writing his WAEC exams with us. Nelson here is also a transfer student from St. Alfred's Boys College, Umuahia. So Nelson, go over there and sit with Chinenye. Please make yourself comfortable.
Yo.
Okay, your biology teacher is going to join you shortly, okay? Back to your books.
Yo.
The break is too short.
Very short. You just took 10 minutes out of it just because we are SS3 students.
And I tell you what, it's so annoying. Well, hey, that reminds me. I heard the new student is the only son of Chief Ifatu.
Are you for real?
Of course I am. You know, when I first heard his surname, I didn't want to jump into conclusion. But guess what? Becky confirmed it. Oh, God, I'm fainting.
Like, are you serious right now? Because those people are stinking rich.
Sorry, for emphasis. Super stinking rich. His father owns a whole lot of properties. And that's not just it. He is the only importer of exotic cars around. Oh.
Like, seriously?
Oh, God.
Okay. So that was why you were pouting your lips out.
There's none of your business.
Okay. Esther, how do I look? Am I okay?
What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? He has to notice me.
Excuse me. I thought you were into Charles.
Who is Charles? In name of a person or an animal? Please tell me, am I okay or not?
You're very beautiful.
Yo. Bro. Hello. Yo. My name is Agbo. We are in the same class. Oh, that's my friend. He's Clement. Clement. Yeah, bro, listen. If there's anything you need, you can ask us. Because we know everything there is about this school. I can even take you around if you want me to. I can show you everywhere. We are the ones that are in charge. Yeah. You don't have problem. We got you. But why are you looking at me like that now? Just come along. I will show you everywhere. Hello, bro. It's me, Agbo. Nobody that doesn't know me in this school. I can. Whoa, this car is clean. Look.
Guys, father.
Bro,
Oh my God.
Whoa. Well, he will come around. Don't worry. He'll come around.
He truly is the son of Chifife too. Like, oh my God. Look
But
at
I told you.
How do I look? Am I pretty?
You're beautiful, of course.
Are you sure? You know, I'm on my period and that has a way of ruining people's faces.
You're fine now. Don't you trust me anymore?
Okay. So,
Stupid thing.
why are you insulting her?
Have you forgotten she's the reason we had a D in our geography last time exams?
I know. She refused to give us answer to the questions. So?
Okay, so what if she's smart? Hmm? Of what use is it to her? Since her family can't even afford to send her to the smallest university in the country.
Esther, can you
What?
please let the poor breathe?
Oh.
Please, let's go.
Hey, is the one coming to pick you up today? What?
And what is that supposed to mean? Are you coming or not?
Of course I am. Hey, wait.
What is holding Chinenye now? Why is she not here? Wait.
Mama?
See? You're back. Yes. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey, yeah.
Mama, you're done?
Yes.
Eh? But you stayed so late now. I thought you should be home by now.
You don't know what happened.
Eh.
I finished everything.
You sold everything?
Everything.
Yay!
Both the
Mama!
pap.
Mama!
See, I have to wait to sell even the pap. All of them, I finished everything. You can see everything is empty now.
Mama, you sold everything.
Yes.
How much did you sell?
Eh?
Mama, Egone, how much? Egone, how much did you sell the pap for?
I sold three. 3 for 200 naira.
Mama.
Yeah? It's
Mama,
okay.
corn is very expensive. We're the one losing out on all this now.
I see. I know, but I have to sell everything now so that I can make money for your WAEC fee. You don't write the WAEC again. In Atamu, you don't write it again. I have to pay now. Come to think of it, have they asked you for the money?
Not yet, Mama.
Not yet. Good. So we are still on course. So very soon, see, what you have to do for me is that just tell them that very soon we'll give them the money. Okay?
Mama.
What is this for?
Mama, thank you for being the best grandma in the whole world. Mama,
Eh?
once I finish with my medical school and I become a doctor, I'll take you anywhere you want to go to. I'll take you to Obodo Yibo. You enter plane.
Eh?
It's my money. Mama, dance. Mama, doctor. That's what they now call it.
I know you will make me proud.
Yes, Mama.
That is why I am doing everything to make sure you go to school.
Mama, doctor. Answer.
Mama, doctor. No, how do they say it? There's this one they used to say when you go to, well, after you finish copper, shut up. Copper,
Mama, it's not compassion. Leave that
What is
one.
it?
It's medical school that is important now.
Okay.
If I finish, I'll go to medical school.
first.
Then I'll become a doctor.
Okay.
So if Mama, doctor.
Hey! Mama!
Nelson, why did you leave me in school today?
Huh? What's the meaning of that?
You went with the car.
Don't you have your own car and a driver?
I do. I wanted to show you off to my friends. But no, you decided to leave me. And not everyone knows that we're brother and sister. Sometimes you're very annoying. I wish Dad never brought you back from boarding school.
Please ask the driver.
How are you doing?
Welcome.
So how was school today?
Very fine.
Fine. Fine?
Yes, fine.
Oh, good. So I want you to go upstairs, change to something casual. We'll be having lunch as family, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
Upstairs. Upstairs.
Oh, Chineke.
He's not there.
You see?
He's not there.
How? Where could he be?
I don't know, Mama. I don't know. Come, let's go and look.
Wait,
for him.
he's not at Obioma's bar.
He's not there, Mama. This is unlike him. He did not come home last night. Mama, come, let's go and tell him.
Happen! Please be alone, be alone. I'm not going anywhere. He will come on his own. He will come back on his
Mama,
own.
you not come back last night. You not come back. Mama,
Yeah, need to come on.
Mama, where you sit?
I'm not going anywhere.
I'm just saying you sit.
Hi! Oh! Ah, God! Why? Why did you decide to give me a son like this? Why? What did I do to you? Where did I go wrong?
Is that my mother? No. Mama, I want some liquor.
No. Daddy, please. Mama, sorry.
Did you cook my delicious?
You are too old to be beaten up, yeah? Eh? What is wrong with you? Eh? Can't you just respect yourself for once? What is your problem?
Mama. Mama.
Oh, Jim. Just look at you. Louis, in this broad daylight, you are drunk already. How? Who does that? Are you sure you are a human being?
Yes, Mama.
How much more also?
You're my mother. I'm your son.
It's okay. Chinenye, go and get your father water to take his bath.
Mama, I should leave him here with you.
Go and get him water to take his bath.
And you want to get me liquor. Mix it with a liquor, yeah? More liquor.
Chinenye, get him water to take his bath.
Pour it.
Chinenye.
Pour.
Let me not repeat myself again. Chinenye, go.
Then you mix it with a liquor here. I want some more liquor. I will be fine.
Louis, you are very lucky. You are very lucky to have a daughter who loves you so much. If it were to be you and I, would have long gone from this house. I've chased you in Chopuganona. As in, you go to anywhere you want to danye, inside gutter, inside the toilet, anywhere you want to danye, you go and danye there. Go and fall into the pit. I don't care.
Yes, Major Mama. You're my mother. Wherever I go, you go.
Kids, I want you to meet my beautiful wife to be. Yes, her name is Queen. Queen? Meet my children, Nelson, Amara.
Hi, Nelson. Hi, Amara.
Miss Queen.
Yes, Queen. That's her name.
Amara, I know this is coming as a very big surprise to you, but Your dad and I are together.
Yes. Queen and I will be getting married traditionally this Saturday, right?
Yeah.
This Saturday.
Oh yes. It may seem so rushy, but of course, you all know how my business takes me in and out of town very often. I might not be able to attend my own wedding if the date doesn't hold this Saturday, right?
Yes.
But trust me, everybody's gonna be fine. She's a nice person. I don't need to tell you that. I don't need an angel to tell you that Queen here is a nice person. You're gonna like her. That's why she's here. Eat. Yes.
Nelson, I'm happy to finally meet you. I know we met in class, but...
Nelson. Nelson!
It's fine, okay? I mean, this came as a shock to him. He'll definitely come around.
Daddy, can I eat in my room? Can I eat in my room?
Sit yourself.
Who threw that paper? If nobody tells me the person that threw that paper right now, I'm going to punish all of you.
Ma, but that's not fair. We are innocent.
And that's the reason you have to tell me the person that threw that paper right now. Those who think my classroom is their bedroom should relocate to their houses immediately. Why are you sleeping in my class? You're the newly transferred student. Are you not? And you're sleeping in my class. Instead of reading your books, because the exam is just around the corner, you're sleeping. Get up. Go to the board and solve that equation right now. It's either you solve it or you go downstairs and kneel down. Get up. I'm talking to you. Stand there. You failed it. Who will solve this equation for me?
Ma.
Yes?
You haven't taught us that yet.
Exactly, ma. You didn't teach us.
Must I teach you this before you can solve it correctly?
You have to teach us.
So this is how you people will write the upcoming WAEC. After all I've taught you guys during the holidays, you can't solve this equation. Who can help me solve this equation? You. Let's try. Come. That's correct. Very good. Very, very good. You all should clap for her. Come on, clap. Clap for her. I'm talking to you.
Um, Sorry about what happened to you earlier in class.
You know, that girl just made a complete fool of you.
Listen, Nelson, it's not as if nobody could solve that equation on the board. But we're just doing that to save your face. But that girl, I don't understand. She's just doing anyhow.
Chinenye is so annoying. That girl is so annoying. Always acting like the most brilliant girl in the class. Why?
Listen, that is not even the one that is even bothering me. The annoying part here is, I don't know who brought that girl from the gutters in our school and who gave that kind of person a place, all in the name of scholarship.
Very annoying.
You mean what she did was to ridicule me?
Of course.
Yeah.
Certainly. She practically did. Which? It was so obvious. I can bet on my life that she did that to hurt you. That girl is just so annoying.
Well, you have nothing to worry about, no. We're here for you. We got you back, 100%. No, listen, why you? I'm still talking now. Put the earpiece.
You know what, guys? I have assignments to do. I'll just go to my class right now. If you're coming.
Okay.
See you later.
No problem now. Continue with your ways.
Can't you knock?
Are you going to pretend not to be worried about what is happening in this house? Daddy is getting married to another woman. Will you just allow that to slide?
What do you want me to do?
Let's protest. Let's leave this house. Wherever we...
With who? You? You're not serious. So that you will come after 2 days crying and telling me you want to go back to daddy. You will not use me.
No, I promise I won't. How can Dad just replace Mom like that?
Because Mom is dead.
No, it's just for 3 years. Dad can't just move on with his life. It's not fair.
He has every right to do whatever thing he wants to do. That is not our business.
No, I won't let him get married to that Miss Queen. She's a teacher in my school. It would be a huge embarrassment. What will my friends say?
Which friends? Who cares about what your friends will say? Let me ask you. What are you going to do on that day? Object at the wedding? See, death has separated Dad and Mom. Dad has the right to marry whosoever he wants to marry.
No. Why would you say that? You were Mom's favorite child.
And so what? Didn't she leave me? If she had loved me so much, why didn't she take me with her? See, I don't want to talk about this. As you can see, I was busy before you stepped in. So please, just leave.
I'll leave this house, with or without you.
See why I've always told you to relax. Uneasiness is written all over your face. So relax, okay?
Chief, we should have told these children about us earlier when we started dating.
But we didn't know that it would get to this point of us getting married.
I know, but it's bringing this kind of surprise to these kids a few days to our wedding. I mean, it's really not the best.
Are you rethinking this?
No, but what if we wait till they accept us?
Do not worry, okay? They will adjust. And they will love you as much as I do. You know, the scripture will be broken if we do anything with a date. The whole world is already aware we're getting married. Don't you get... Nelson. Nelson! 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 Open the door! Nelson! Open the door, let's talk! Nelson! Fine. Suit yourself.
Chinenye!
Auntie Queen. Sorry, Auntie Queen. Akara has finished. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you not going to school today?
I'll go to school. Once I'm done now, I'll go home and change and go to school.
Okay. Anyway, I came to give you this.
Auntie Queen.
My wedding invitation.
You're getting... Auntie Queen, you're getting married. Auntie Queen, congrats. I'll tell Mama, I'll show Mama.
No problem. And you and Mama make sure you're present at my wedding.
I promise we'll be there.
Okay. Alright. So get ready and go to school so you don't be late, okay?
I will. Alright. Fine, Auntie.
Where is Nelson? Huh? We are getting late, for Christ's sake. Huh? How did he even leave this house without telling anyone? Oh my goodness, Nelson is not going to be a barrier to my wedding. What's the meaning of this? Have you tried calling his line again?
His phone is off.
Oh, if I take Nelson, he's going to keep the record of his birth very well.
Daddy, I think this is not a good idea at all. I mean, maybe a mom's spirit doesn't want this marriage to happen.
What exactly are you driving at?
It's almost raining and Nelson is yet to return.
Yes, Patrick. Are you back to the hotel now? Yes, well, give me an update. What's the level of arrangement? Have you fixed everything? The canopies and the shebis and all. What about the wine I asked you and the crate of beers? Are they all there? Yes, the reception hall, is it all set? Yes, have you tried putting call through to the chief bridesmaid? Are they also setting things there, getting ready? Okay, yes, of course, when I come, we'll sort that one out. That's not a problem. All right. I appreciate it. Just in a jiffy, I'm coming there. Follow me.
Huh?
Don't let me repeat myself. Today, I'm going to show you who is in charge in this house.
Chief, please. Please now.
Please do not beg on his behalf. Since he has become a big boy now, he thinks he's bigger than his father.
Chief, I think he has an explanation.
What explanation does he have? That he missed his own father's wedding. You think I will not spank you? Is that what you think?
It's my first day in this house, and I don't want the memory to be a bad one.
Nelson, you left this house very early this morning and came back a few hours ago. Where did you go to? If you don't start talking, you'll be responsible for anything that will happen to you the next minute. Where did you leave to?
I went to visit my mom. I went to visit my mom's grave.
Go to your room, quickly.
Okay, so that'll be all for today. Make sure you do your assignments and make sure you submit them in the morning. All right?
Thank you, ma.
Bye-bye. Yo, boo.
Yeah.
So, what's up,
Yo, I heard that Miss Queen married Nelson's dad. I heard same. So, does it mean she's his stepmom and teacher too?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Interesting.
Yeah. Nelson, congrats on your dad's wedding, you know.
To think that she's a very beautiful woman too.
Hi, Nelson. I just remembered I have not properly introduced myself to you. So I'll do it now. My name is Munachi. Munachi-san.
Oh, yeah. And, Muna's birthday is coming up soon. And you were specially invited. Yeah.
Promise me you'll come.
Please, just say yes.
Pretty please.
Amara, please eat some more. I heard you now have a new music teacher. Do you enjoy his lessons? When your brother gets back, please tell him I made rice and stew. The chef told me it's his favorite.
Nelson, you're just coming back.
I made rice and stew. I heard it was your favorite meal. Okay, just in case you need anything, please let me know. I'll be in the kitchen.
I don't know why she's so desperate to replace our mom.
Why did you leave me in this world? Why? Why did you leave me in this world? I miss you. I miss you so much. I miss you. I miss you, mommy. I miss you.
Thank you for coming to visit me. Okay? Thank you. Auntie Queen, your house is very beautiful. Very, very fine. Yes.
Really? You know, I never really get to notice, provided I have a roof over my head. I'm fine.
Um, Auntie, I came here to apologize for not making it to your wedding. It's just that my
It's fine, okay? I totally understand. I mean, I heard what happened. I hope all is well now. Your father. You know, I don't even know what to do about your father's behavior. Can't he see that his behavior is affecting you badly?
Auntie, I pray for him every day. I pray that he stops drinking. Other than that, I understand.
I believe so too. That reminds me, I set aside some souvenir for you and Mama.
Ah, no, Auntie, you shouldn't have. We did not come to the wedding. Give it to the people that came to the wedding. We understand.
Hey, I insist you take it, okay? So give me 1 minute. I'll be right back.
Thank you, Auntie.
There you go. Especially for you and Mama.
Auntie?
Hey. What are you doing? Get up!
Auntie, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you. Auntie? Auntie, look, is that not...
Yes. This is Nelson's house. I got married to Nelson's father.
Oh, congrats.
Thank you. Nnebe,
Huh?
I want to ask you of a little favor.
Me? And anything you want to ask me, I'll do it. Anything.
Okay. It's about Nelson. I want you to help him.
Is he sick?
Okay. I know you'll be wondering why Nelson joined us when the WAEC exams are almost at hand. Well, it's his second time in SS3. Neye, I want you to be his friend or something. I mean, just study together with him, please.
Auntie Pen, you want me to coach Nelson? You want me to be his friend?
Exactly.
Hi. Auntie Queen, it's the same. You live in this house with Nelson now. Auntie Queen, Nelson is not a friendly person. No. He doesn't talk to anybody in school. He's always by himself. Auntie Queen, how am I supposed to make him become my friend?
I'm seeing it. I know you think Nelson is very tough, but trust me, deep down, he's not as tough as you think. Please, man. Please.
No, Auntie Queen, please don't beg me. Don't beg me. I'll do anything you want me to do. Don't beg me. I'll be friends with Nelson. I'll coach him. Anything you want me to do, I'll do. Please don't beg me.
Thank you so much, Neye. I knew I could count on you.
Thank you, Auntie. And do you want anything else?
No.
Okay.
No, that's all.
Okay, I want to go and sell pap for my mother. So,
my regards to Mama.
Okay, thank you. Sorry.
Chalakane, there's something I'm not understanding here. They say, are you trying to say that Queen is your classmate's stepmother?
Yes, Mama. Mama, do you know Chief Ifatu of Ifatu's motto?
Of course, what does it mean?
Mama, that is the man Auntie Queen married. Yes.
Are you serious?
Very serious, Mama.
Hey! But that man is married. Oh. I've forgotten, the wife is late. May her soul rest in peace.
Amen.
Are you trying to say that the marriage that Queen invited you, no, us.
Mama, us, invited us.
Invited us. Was between her and then Chief Ifatu?
Yes, Mama.
Oh. That girl is humble.
Very humble.
Who would have believed that she's getting married to a rich man?
Mama, Auntie Queen is a very humble woman.
Do you know that if it were to be some of all these girls in this village, everybody would have heard of it? Married to a rich man? I
really had hopes that she would end up with my father.
Hey! You want me to vomit? You want me to throw up?
No.
What's the meaning of this? Why would you say such a thing? God forbid. How can you say that? See, look, let me tell you. Even if me, myself now, as the mother of Louise, I will not even support the marriage between both of them. Yes, because your father is a madman. How can she get married to a madman?
Mama.
Papa! Ogano!
Mama, my father is not a madman.
I can see that you are tired. See, in fact, go and change this water. I don't want it again. Go and change it. Go away. Go.
But you said you can help you help yourself.
Look at what you said. You should get married to my beautiful queen.
Mama, you people are married, doing merriment. Huh? Mama, I want 2,000.
You so idiot.
Mama.
Louis, for once in your life, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Ashamed. Mama, what has Ashamed got to do with 2,000? And I? Huh?
Okay, let me ask you. How much is your daughter's WAEC fee? Of course you don't know. Because you don't care. Do you know? No, you don't care.
But she's on free education.
So? Give me a message. If she's on free education, give me a message. Okay, so because the school gave her scholarship, they should give her bed. They will teach her how to lie on it. Isn't it? Can't you see you don't have sense?
Mama, listen. If they knew they would not pay her WAEC, why would they give her scholarship? They should have removed the scholarship and give her scholarship.
Go shut up that thing you come out. Idiot.
Mama.
Okay.
Mama.
Papa.
Your hand is as hard as a welder's hand, Mama.
I wish it's hot like fire. So that you see this your senses that has gone back. They will start coming forward.
Mama, let me remove 100 naira. It's now 1,900. I'll be very okay with that one for today. I will not come back. Mama, do it for me.
I don't blame you. Because I paid the money that you were owing the other one. Yes, I paid your debt. Now you want me to give you money. Okay? Mbano. Do you know what you do? Come and cut my flesh into pieces. You see how they sell my meat in the market? You put it on the table. Come and buy meat. 10 kobo until you get your 2,000.
Hey. Mama, what this insult again? I want me because of 1,900. I want to remove another 100. Let me make it 1,008. Would that be okay?
I can't hear. Hey,
Akokola. Mama, your hand is as hard as welder's hand. Eh? Let us a woman sort as if I won. All this insult because of 1,900. Mama, I remove 100 here.
I just wanted to remind you of my birthday party.
I'm not interested.
Wait. But you said you would come.
I did?
I thought you were okay with it.
I never gave you a reply.
So that means you can still come.
You have to excuse me now. I have to go home.
My name is Chinenye. Okay, I think I have something that will benefit both of us.
Which is?
So I've been looking for a study partner, and I think we'll both benefit from it. No, I'm just saying, Nelson, I have past questions that we could read from. Auntie Queen, this is not going to be easy. Nelson! How do I get someone to study with me? No. How do you make someone study with you?
'Cause
'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause 'Cause how do you how do you convince someone to study with you? How do you make no? How do you make
Chinenye?
Ma?
What is it? I thought you said you won't be touching your phone until after your exams. What are you doing again?
No, Mama, I'm surfing the net.
Surfing? Okay. Surf.
Mama, I am browsing.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not doing
Mama, I'm trying to get someone to study with me. So how do I do that?
Study Guinea. Study what?
Okay, let me put it like this. How do you used to get your classmates to study with you in school?
Okay, to read with you. Guinea, I go no.
Yes,
Mama.
Mama.
You don't understand. You know I'm good. Okay.
Why are you laughing?
Hey, wo, akụkọ Mike Ejeagha.
Wow.
Me
Yes.
and book. Me study. How? If I had gone to school, or if I had studied the way you just mentioned, would I have been selling akara at the junction?
Mama, you said you used to carry first in school. That's what you said to me. That if you bring your results, if you know you don't have evidence of all those, why are you not saying it?
Because so that you will read harder and come out with flying colors.
Mama, but you lied.
It's lies. It's senior lies. Junior lie and senior lies. This one is senior lie.
Yes, I'll tell my children the truth.
No problem. You are bright now, you are good. Even if you tell them that you came out with first class, it's okay. Is it not first class you come out with?
First class I'll come out with.
So tell them you came out first class.
Lie like my mama.
You're calling me a liar now.
No, that's senior lie, Mama.
What sort of scores are these, Nelson? You want to repeat this class? Have you forgotten that it was because of your bad scores that made your former school to deny you the chance of writing your last WAEC? Have you forgotten that?
Chief, you need to take it easy on this boy.
How long will I continue taking it easy on this boy? If this boy doesn't want to learn, I will totally wash my hands off.
Chief, you can't do that. Besides, these are just his resumption test results.
He was performing badly at his former school. I took your advice to allow him attend school from home. And then look at it. Look at the kind of melancholic scores he's brought home with.
Okay, fine. It's my fault. I agree. But, I mean, we can get him a lesson teacher or something.
Now listen to me, Nelson. If you do not pass this exam, I am going to pull you out from school permanently. And trust me, I will hand you over to a roadside mechanic where you start learning how not to stop crying. And trust me, I will never look your way one day.
Nelson.
Stay out of this.
What kind of place is this?
Hi, Nelson. Nelson. I was wondering if you made up your mind.
About?
Studying together.
I'm not interested.
Nelson, I know this might not sound appealing to you, but trust me, I've made all my research and they said that if you study together, it helps you assimilate, it helps everything, it make it easy, and everything it's very, I don't know, it's easier to study together for you to assimilate and that's it. Why did I promise Auntie Queen? This is becoming too hard for me. Why did I just promise her that I would do it? Auntie Queen! Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Naya.
Welcome.
Is Mama home?
No, but she said you already paid for the pap. Let me get it for you.
Naya, that's not exactly why I'm here. I'm here because of Nelson. Were you able to convince him to study with you? Why? He refused?
Auntie, I shouldn't have promised you that I will help Nelson. I can't help someone who is not ready to help himself.
Why? What happened?
Auntie, he doesn't even want to listen to me. Everything I say to him goes on deaf ear.
It's fine. I'll see what I can do.
And I would just advise you to give up.
No, Naya. No. I can't do that. Yes, I know I'm not his mother, but I'm his stepmom. I mean, if he was my son, I'll do everything within my powers to see that he succeeds. So I'm not going to give up. I'll keep trying. You hear me?
Let me get the pack for you.
No, it's fine. Go get it. That's okay.
I'm sorry, Auntie Queen. I'm so sorry.
It's fine, Naya. Good day, class. Okay, so as we all know, it's the final lap of your secondary school journey and we won't be taking any mistakes, all right? So as your class teacher, I have created groups to aid you to study for your upcoming exams. I hope that makes you happy. So kindly listen to your names so you can know your study partners. In group 1, I have Esther Johnson and Muna Chikwe. In group 2, I have Clement and Flora. In group 3, I have Austin Franklin and Gracious. In group 4, I have Nelson Ifeatu and Chinenye. For group 5, I have Blessing John and Rita James. And lastly, I have Agbo and Austin. So do well to bond with your study partners, and you'll hear again from me tomorrow. All right? Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
What is it again?
Nelson, we're on the same team.
Was that your plan? What's your motive?
What are you talking about? I don't understand.
You know, I'm the son of a rich man. And from what I've heard, you came into this school through scholarship, right? Is this the best way to make life easy for you?
What?
You know,
Hi.
you know, I'm used to beautiful ladies flocking around me. But I was thinking you would be different. See, what I'm trying to say is this. You have brain. You're hardworking.
You disgust me.
What is it?
I don't like her food.
What is wrong with the food?
I don't like her food because she sent the cook away and her food tastes horrible.
Amara, are you done eating?
I don't like your food. I don't want to eat it.
It's fine. Is there something else you want to eat? I mean, I can make it for you.
I said I don't want your food. Do you think all these things you're doing will make me accept you as my mother? Never! You can't be my mom and you can't replace my mom!
I am trying to put this family together, but you need to help me to do it. You need me and I need you. We need each other. I know it's not easy to accept. I say change is constant, but this is a good change. You need it, I need it, we need it. Can we live like a family, loving each other? If you give me the chance, then everything will be alright. Just give me the chance to prove to everything will be okay. Just give me the chance. You need to lose enough. Just get out of your past. Everything will be okay. Everything will be alright. I am trying to put this family together, but you need to help me to do it. You need me and I need you. We need each other. I know it's not easy to accept. I say change is constant, but this is a good change. You need it.
You're back. Then what happened? You stayed late, so that you came back late. I hope there's no problem.
Mom, I'm sorry. I was studying for my exams.
Oh.
The time got away from me.
Yeah. Okay. Hey! One more step. One more step. Machiga to now. Biam okay. What is wrong with you? Eh? You won't go in. You won't go in and get water and take your bath. Or you are waiting for your daughter to come and beat you.
Mama.
Hey, please. Allow me to talk. Allow me to talk because this your father is a nuisance. What your father is doing, is it good? No, tell me, is it good? What your father is doing is very annoying. And very... Chinenye, if one more... In fact, if you move him like this, I'll move you too. I'm over here. Oga, look at you. You should be ashamed of yourself. Are you the first person to be experiencing setback in his business? No. Fine. Your shop got burnt 2 years ago. So, life will now come to an end. Okay? Zanom, I'm asking you, life will now come to an end. Listen. You see successful people in business. Go and ask them. Successful businessmen. Ask them how they made it. And they will tell you that failure should not be a barrier to stop you in life. Even if you fail, failure should push you forward. You try again. What if you fail once? Yes. So you will die. And life will come to an end. Okay? I'm asking you. Anyway, me, I'm here with you. I'm not going anywhere. What is it? Huh? Why are you looking at me and tolo as if I'm not saying the truth? Why? You see, respect yourself. I will just give you the slap. Oga, when you finish, you stand up from there. I'm talking to you. If you touch him, when you finish snoring like one idiot, you stand up from there. You see that a drum at the backyard? You go and fill it with water. Maka, without it, there will no food for you in this house. Papa, why are you still standing here? You get inside now. Now, go eat your food. Emma Azuzo.
Sorry, Mama.
We'll be here looking at each other.
Attention to me. I have an interesting letter for all of you.
What is it?
Calm down, let me read it first. So I was saying, this letter is to inform the parents and guardians of Chinenye that failure to pay the full sum for the upcoming WAEC will lead to her immediate withdrawal from the...
Give me that. Please. That's mine.
What do you want to do? Calm down. I'm just, I'm trying to be nice.
Can I have my letter? Please, can I have my letter?
Wait. Come and take it.
Can I have my letter? Can I have my letter?
Don't beat me. Calm down. I'm trying to help you. You don't know, maybe somebody can just see you and help you. Everybody look. Calm down. Maybe somebody will help you.
Oh, please calm down. What's wrong with you? I was only trying to play with that. Oh, shut.
What time does our study group start? Are we studying here or do you have somewhere in mind?
I'll speak to our study teacher to dissolve the study group. We don't need to study together.
You haven't paid your WAEC fees. Anyway, I already paid the fees, so just go and read for your exams.
You pay for my fees? Thank you.
It's fine. You don't expect me to, stay back and watch your dreams go down the drain, right?
Auntie Queen, God bless you so much for being a godsend to my family. God bless you.
That's fine. It's okay.
Thank you.
So all you need to do now is focus on your studies and make sure you make me proud, okay?
I promise I'll make you proud. Thank you.
Run
Auntie, do you
along.
need me to get anything for you?
No, I'm okay.
You're
just
fine.
run along and tell Mama I've taken care of your fees.
I'm already rushing home to go and tell Mama. Auntie Queen, thank you.
No matter what we say in life storms, we still need somebody to help us shine. No matter what we think we have, we still need somebody by our side to help you to get up when you fall, and you when you're broken, even when you're suffocating. He is gonna help you to breathe again. Yes, someone, and that is someone too. We all need somebody to help us to breathe again.
What is it? Are we not going to study today?
We are not study partners anymore.
We don't have a choice. It is the school's decision.
I don't care.
Listen, I am doing this just to fulfill my obligation as a student.
Well, I am studying to pass my exams.
Okay. So, you've made up your mind for us not to study again.
I've made up my mind not to study with a mean person.
A mean person.
Yes, you are a mean person, Nelson.
Is that what you think of me?
Yes, exactly. That's what I think of you.
But come on, you don't judge a book by its cover.
Not when the cover sucks, and the contents even.
We just need to study and not to be friends. And what are you doing?
I am not interested.
We all need somebody to help us to breathe again. 'Cause you need me, and I need you. When you are down and you will think that you don't need nobody. And when you pain, you're gonna need somebody to lean on. Loosen up and ease it all. You're gonna be happy again. Don't be hard on yourself, 'cause you need somebody to.
I'm on my way to the market. Would you like to come with me?
Why would I?
Well, I think it's an avenue for us to get to spend some time together.
As what? Teacher and student? Or my father's mistress?
Amara.
As far as I'm concerned, you're my father's side chick. You can't take my mother's place. You can't.
Amara. Okay.
Hi, Chinenye. Where are we to study today?
Why are you pretending like you want to study with me? Can't you see you're bugging me?
What if I want to?
What changed your mind? I thought you said I was chasing after you.
I didn't mean to say that.
And yet you did.
Okay, fine. I am sorry. Yeah, I really am. I shouldn't have said what I said.
You're not even an adult yet. Your mind is very dirty.
I just said I am sorry. I apologize. You even slapped me.
When do you want to study?
Anytime. I will walk around the time.
Really?
Yeah.
Venue?
Yeah, in class. I mean, the class is always empty after school.
Fine. I'll make a timetable.
So sumptuous. You like it?
Yeah.
Good. Guys, what about we going out for a weekend trip? What do you think?
I won't be available.
Why?
I hardly sleep at nights because I read my books.
What about you, Nelson?
I'm not interested.
Come on, son. How long will you continue behaving this way? Well, let's go back to our old way before something.
Before what? Before mom died? See, I am sick and tired of everything that's happening in this house. I just wish I could just leave this house and never come back again.
Nelson.
I can't eat the food.
Nelson, what's the
Excuse me.
meaning of this? Nelson!
Baby. It's fine, okay? He'll come around.
How long will this boy continue like this? We were supposed to live like a father and son, not like enemies.
Nelson is a good boy.
This boy used to be my closest pal.
He'll understand things with time.
Are you done?
Yes. Check it out.
And you got the correct answer. Wait, if you solved this in a minute and you got the correct answer, have you? Did you fail your exams on purpose? You're pretending to be dull.
It is either you're dull or not.
Yeah, but then you solved the whole equation and I don't even know what to do with mine. Ah, yes, you copied. That's the exact explanation for this. You copied it because how did you just solve this?
But you have been here with me. Meanwhile, this is mathematics. If I had copied this answer, then the steps would be incorrect.
That's true. Well, teach me. I want to see how you solved it. Not like I don't know the answer already. I'm just saying you should.
I need to go home and rest.
So, I'm so tired. I need to go and read.
Have you paid for your WAEC registration fee?
I don't think that's any of your business.
Come on, I mean, it makes no sense if my study partner doesn't write her examinations.
Well, don't worry about it. It's been sorted out.
Oh, okay. Wait, come on. My driver is taking me home. Would you like a ride?
Don't worry, Nelson. I'll walk.
Okay.
When you are down and you will think that you don't need nobody, and when you pain, you gonna need somebody to lean on. Listen up and ease it out. You're gonna be happy again. Don't be hard on yourself, 'cause you need somebody to. Hey, you need somebody to breathe again. Yeah. Don't be an island. You need somebody, someone who has it to breathe again. We say in life storms, we still need somebody to help us shine. No matter what we think we have, we still need somebody by our side to help you to get up when you fall, and you when you're broken, even when you're suffocating, he is gonna help you to breathe again. Yes, someone, and I need someone too. We all need somebody to help us to breathe again. 'Cause you need me, and I need you.
Esther, have you noticed anything weird?
Weird. Like what?
Like Chinenye and Nelson. I think they're getting very close. Or rather, they are close.
I noticed that myself. But I don't think they are that close. It's because of this silly study thing, you know?
You're right. Whoever did this thing did not try at all. It's not fair. First of all, they would have made us 5 persons in the group. And secondly, they would have paired me with Nelson, not Chinenye.
Please, Mona. Ain't you tired of chasing him? He seemed not to be interested in girls.
I am not the same as other girls. I dare to be different.
I know. Look, what is all this? Why is this guy keep traumatizing somebody in this class? He's supposed be her study partner, not her boyfriend. And why is he always sticking to her, like, following her about? Wait, hope he's not crushing on her already.
You crushing on her? Please. He should be allergic to poverty. It's disgusting.
What if he's attracted to poor girls?
Nelson is very wealthy. Yes, I mean, if he wants to follow people, he should be, people at his level, big people, not this disgusting thing. Yeah, not even to see both of them together.
Me too.
Eh? You too? Why?
I wanted to tell you something. I don't think Nelson is dull. He's very intelligent.
I knew it. You know, I've seen his past results and he was truly exceptional.
I thought as much. But Auntie, what changed? If he's this intelligent, what's changed? Why is he hiding his gifts?
Well, you know he lost his mom and from what I hear, they were really close.
That's very sad. But I don't think his mom would want him to waste his gifts like this.
You know what, Chinenye? Just keep studying with him, okay? You're doing a very amazing job.
Thank you, Auntie. Do take care of yourself.
Thank you, Chinenye.
Bye-bye. Nelson. Nelson. Hi. I've been looking over for you. Have you forgotten we're supposed to study today?
Study alone. I am done with this group study.
What? Why? What happened?
Were you paid to do this?
Paid? I don't understand.
Did she pay you to keep tabs on me? Because from what I heard there, the both of you were talking about me.
Nelson, it's not what you...
Enough! I will not allow anybody sent by my father to monitor my life. Moreover, this study group shenanigan is over. I don't want it anymore. Your wife?
What happened to him? What's this? Your wife? Is it your wife?
Is that my mother or my wife?
What happened?
We saw him on the floor, wounded. So I rushed him to the hospital. Sorry.
Mama, I have seen heaven.
Sorry.
I saw her too.
Put him down.
Oh. Mama, I saw heaven and hell today.
Hey, you will not come and kill me before my time. What is all this? What happened? What happened?
We saw him on the road wounded, so I rushed him to the clinic.
Oh, thank you so much. It's not everyone that will see somebody and help.
Sorry.
Okay, forgive Onwa. You will not kill me before my time. What is your problem?
Don't beat
me. What is your problem?
Don't beat me.
See. You have to thank this young man. You have to thank him. He's the one that helped your father home. Okay, daddy. Oh, but daddy. Eh?
Daddy, let's go inside. Sorry.
I did my liquor.
Can you equally help us to take him inside?
Thank you for bringing my father home. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
And I know you're mad at me for, I don't know, the other day, but you should know that Auntie Queen, she didn't pay me to tutor you. Okay? She's merely looking out for you. She wants to make sure that your grades pick up. I know whatever I might say to you now might not be important, but I think Auntie Queen loves you. She loves you like her own child. She really wants you to pass these exams. And with the way she came at me to help you, you mean a lot to her. So maybe you should give her some space, to come into your life and, I don't know. Other than that, thank you once again for bringing my father home.
Amara. What is it?
Is it not your father's side chick?
Your father too.
Whatever. She thinks she owns this house, that she can take over it. But it will not happen. I won't let her.
What do you mean?
I severely told her that I prefer my meal to be made by the cook. But no! She decides to make it herself. I don't know if it's by force to eat her food.
So what you're trying to say is Miss Queen should vacate from the kitchen so that the cook will make your meals. Amara, Miss Queen is trying her possible best to adjust into the workings of this house. Do not frustrate her, please. Yes.
Wait, I don't understand. Are you really my brother, or you're an impersonator?
If what she has given to you, you don't want to eat it, you have hands. Go inside the kitchen, make your food and eat.
I thought we hated her.
Huh? Who? We? Me? How?
We refused to let Dad remarry.
And what? I don't even know this woman. Why would I hate her? I think it's time you picked a struggle. And remember, she's still our teacher. Say to your mind.
What has gotten into him? Is he okay?
What's up? I'm coming. Have a seat.
Don't you have a seat?
Come on, it's a free class. I can sit anywhere.
No, you cannot sit anywhere. Good job. Could you see?
Come on. Is it bad to sit with my study partner?
No, sir.
Can you just talk to him? Can you just talk?
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
So today we'll be talking about simultaneous equation.
Hi, Nelson.
Hi.
Hi.
Sorry. We have a question for you.
Yeah.
We noticed you hang out a lot with Chinenye.
Excuse me.
I know the both of you are, study partners, but do you always have to be together?
What is that supposed to mean?
What I mean is, if you guys know there's nothing going on between the both of you, and you're just normal, study mates, I and Esther would like to join.
Hey, ladies. I don't know what the both of you are talking about. As you can see, I was busy and I would like to be left alone. Thank you.
Don't you like me?
Huh?
Yes. I don't know what you're saying, Chinenye. I'm pretty, my family is very rich. I don't know, she's not rich. She's not even fine. What does she have that I don't have? I've been giving you signals. Why can't you just look at me?
Muna, I think we need to go.
I'm not going anywhere. Don't tell me to go. Just tell me, look at my face and tell me you don't like Chinenye. What's all this? Why don't you understand me?
Mona, Esther, what do you want? Do you need something?
Well, if you tell us what's going on between you and Nelson, we'll let you go.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Excuse me. It's a confusion for me.
I don't know.
Hey, Chinenye, we see your games. Look, you entered the school due to the scholarship program. But you are not allowed to date any of the premium guys around. You can go out there and go find your type.
Exactly.
Just like I said, I don't understand what you're saying. Excuse me.
Don't even try. Are you sick or something?
Why would you
Are
push
you
me?
mad?
Why would you?
Hey. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay.
So what if she's my girlfriend? Huh? Do I need to take permission from the both of you? See, let this be the first and last you're going to harass her again. Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear?
Muna, wait.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
Alright, so are you ready to go?
Yes, I need to get my school bag.
So?
You're not waiting for your driver?
No, he actually went to drop my sister at home. So I told him I'll find my way back home.
Do you know your way around?
What? Does it look like I don't?
Oh, I'm just asking. Sorry.
Okay. Chinenye, what about your dad? How is he doing?
He's fine.
Are you sure?
He's fine.
Okay. I'm sorry I told Mona and Esther that you're my girlfriend. I'm really sorry.
No, it's okay. It's not an issue.
Okay. Naya, wait.
What?
Sorry. You're... it's not like it's my business. But your mom looks way older than your dad.
My mom.
Yes.
Wait, you're talking about the woman you saw in my house?
What's funny? Why are you laughing?
That's my grandma. That's my grandma. Why would you think? You heard me call her Mama.
Mama can mean your mom. You never said grandma.
That's my grandmother.
Wow. She's a very strong woman.
I know she is.
Hello? Is this how you answer calls? Are you sleeping already? Wow. At 9 p.m.? Seriously? You don't watch TV or surf the internet or, do something with your phone? My God. You disabled all the apps in your phone. Are you human or a robot? Okay, fine. I accept you're funny. No problem. What if I say I called to hear your voice? Okay, you're winning. I actually called to know where we could study tomorrow. This weekend and the school is closed. Your house? Okay, fine. Mine. That settles it. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. Okay? Good night and take care of yourself.
Queen, my daughter, I made this. This is ogri. I made this specially for you.
Okay.
Yes. You know you're a beautiful girl. And you need something as good as you are. See, you see this ogri? I did not prepare it with gas. Cha. Gas will not bring the original taste. I have to use firewood to prepare it, yes.
Anyway, I trust you. Thank you so much, Mama.
I'm so happy you like it.
See,
you enjoy it. You enjoy it.
I'll definitely give you my feedback.
All right, my dear. Take care of.
Hi, Nelson.
Mama, good evening.
Good evening, my son. How are you?
Fine.
How are you? Mama, I'll be on my way.
All right. Take care of yourself, oh? How are you, my son?
I'm fine, Mama.
Hey,
I'm fine.
I want to thank you very much for the other day. May the good Lord help you for helping my son. Oh?
Amen.
God bless you.
Amen. Mama actually came to study with Chinenye.
Oh, she told me.
Okay.
She told me. I think she should be somewhere inside. Why not wait
I'm
for
waiting for her.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's wait.
Are you in any way related to Miss Queen?
Why did you ask?
Because I was surprised to see her here today.
Oh, No. My grandma, she makes pap and local spin for her.
Oh. Oh, I see.
You're still wondering why we are so close.
Well...
Okay, see, Auntie Queen and my father went to the same secondary school, just like we are now.
Wow.
And she used to teach in my other school. Then, my father lost his business. I couldn't pay for my fee. Anyway, she was the one that informed me of the scholarship in the school. So I applied.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah, I know.
That's nice.
You guys stole her from me.
Stole her from you? How?
Because for the longest of time, I was pairing her with my dad. I really wanted them to get married. I was already envisioning her as my mother and fantasizing about how they would be. But your father decided no, he needed to date her and get married to her. You guys... I'm sorry. I shouldn't have mentioned. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Let's just go back to what we're doing.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine, sir.
You're done with school?
Yes, I'm here.
Nelson, hop in. Let's go home.
Nelson, is that your dad?
Nelson.
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 Hi, sir.
Nelson.
That's your father.
And so?
He asked you to enter the car so he will drop you.
I'm thirsty. I want to get something to drink. Do you want anything?
Are you mad at your dad?
Is that the name of the thing you want?
Nelson, I am serious. Why would you ignore your dad like that?
See, do you want something or not?
You've not yet answered my question.
I hate his guts. Does that answer your question now?
Look, I'm just saying, irrespective of whatever your father did to you, we can't choose who our parents are. Okay?
Yeah, whatever.
I'm sorry, we're supposed to be reading, but my dad, I'm so sorry.
Yeah. How is he?
It's okay, thank you.
Okay. Oh, are you sure he's going to be fine?
He's sleeping. He's fine.
Okay.
You're lucky your father still looks out for you. Look at mine. He doesn't care if I go to school or if I'm doing anything, if I'm writing my WAEC. He doesn't even know. Talk more of caring.
Is your dad addicted to alcohol?
He actively started drinking 8 months ago, after his shop got burnt 2 years ago.
That's bad. So, your mom?
I didn't know my mom. She left when I was a baby. They never got married.
I see.
Nelson, For what is what, I think you should talk to your dad. He's here for you, caring for you, always looking out for you. He even cares about your grade. I wish I had that. Irrespective of anything he might have done to you, you should give him a listening ear. He loves you. I'm sorry. Do you need anything? Do you want water? Should I get you?
This should be okay, right?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you, Miss Queen.
Anytime.
Yeah.
Amara, would you like me to help you dish yours as well?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I am okay.
So,
Don't worry. Your secret is safe with me.
I've never told anyone what I told you.
I know. Have you had breakfast? We have free time. Do you want to go to the library with me? Okay, let's go.
Oh, my heart beats all in one place. Fine. How are you all doing? Good to see that you are all here. Nelson, please, I want us to sit together here as one family. Please.
One family? Really? I can't believe you would think I'll be part of this your imaginary family.
Nelson.
What? Oh, you really think I'll be afraid that your new wife is going to see you for who you really are?
Excuse me. What exactly are you trying to say?
You better stay away from this man. He treats women like orange. The moment you're not useful to him, he will throw you away.
Chief! Daddy!
Come on! Hit me! That is all you can do! Hit me!
This is not the son I raised!
That son is no more. After you killed his mother.
Who is that? What do you mean? So what are you doing? What? Are you... What is it? Are you okay?
Please, can I stay with you?
You want to stay with me in this house? Are you okay? Let me call my grandmother so you tell her.
Chinenye, have you called Queen?
Hey, Mama, she's on her way with her father.
How is he? Is he sleeping?
Yes, Mama. He's tired.
Chinenye, that boy cried throughout the night and I'm afraid.
Me too, I'm afraid. You stop doing like that. Calm down.
What are those ones again?
Eh? He's Auntie Queen.
Auntie Queen?
Hey.
What are we going to do?
No, we did not do anything now. He came to our house and he said he wanted to rest here. We did not do anything.
No, we didn't do anything. No.
We did not. Hey, Mama, calm down.
You know these big men.
Mama, good morning.
Mama, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Auntie Queen, good morning.
Is he here?
He's inside sleeping.
I was worried about you.
You don't have to be worried about me.
What made you think that I was because of your mother's death?
You traveled. My mother was sick and you traveled. You left my mother all alone on the sickbed. If I had not taken permission to return back home, my mother would have died alone in that bed.
Yes, I traveled. But I did not kill her.
You neglected my mother! You did!
Tell me, what would you have done differently if you were in my shoes? The doctors discharged your mother, not because she was fully recovered, but because they have tried everything medically to get her to her feet, to no avail. I was raving mad, as it were. I ran from pillar to post. I contacted hospitals from abroad. Yes, I wanted to fly your mother to that place as they instructed, but she was so scared to die in a foreign land, so she refused. Still, I traveled to Spain with all her medical documents for a second option. I got the shock of my life on my way returning that she was gone. Do you know how I felt? She was your mother, but she was my wife. We had lived together for over 22 years. Do you know how hard it was for me? And how I have been coping ever since. I had money. I had money, but I couldn't save my wife. I'll just stay strong for you and Amara. After her death, I had been battling, struggling not to break down at the sight of both of you. I did not fold my arms and watch my wife die. I did try. tried all I could. Sure. It's not an easy.
I'm sorry.
Everything is gonna be alright.
I didn't know you went through this. I'm sorry.
You'll be fine.
I'm sorry.
Oh, we are going home. When we get home, you will understand better. You cannot run away from home. I have no one else. You're all I've got.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, come in. I'm in. How are you?
I'm fine.
I've missed you.
I've missed you too. It's good to have you back.
Thank you.
Dad told me everything. How you thought he didn't take care of Mom well. Well, you've always been in boarding school. I and Mom will stay here, and Dad had to take sleeping pills to be able to sleep every night. Mom's death really touched him more than us. He had to cry every night.
I wish I had poured out my feelings earlier. It would have saved us all these misunderstandings.
Well, you're right. To be honest, I think Dad is not selfish to get married again. Mom is gone, and he deserves to be happy.
Yes, he deserves to be happy.
And Auntie Queen, she's very nice. She's a nice woman. She's not like other stepmoms that I watch in movies and read in books. She's so nice. Henceforth, I want us to forget about the past. Do you?
Sure. Come here.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm sorry I called your dad. It's just that I didn't know.
No. I'm not mad at you. Yes, I just came to say thank you.
Thank you. To me.
Yes. Naya, if I have not gotten close to you or examined your life with mine, I wouldn't have known the depth of love my dad had for me.
I'm glad I could be of help.
I've had so many friends. So many of them. Rich friends. But believe me when I say none can compare to you. Yeah. Can we be best friends? Is that a yes?
Yes.
Who is in this place? Do I have anybody in this house? Mama! Mama, are you in or you are out? So what am I saying? Is that Nelson or Mandela?
It's Nelson.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Where's my mother?
She's inside. Please sit.
You want some
No,
liquor?
no. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Please sit. Sir, it's enough now. It's enough. Please.
Let me hold my holy water.
Please, just sit.
Nelson Mandela. Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Where is my mother?
She's inside.
Sir.
Sir.
Nelson
Please.
Mandela.
Please.
Where are you?
You need to stop this.
Where are you?
I'm here, sir. I'm here, sir.
Ah.
I'm here. I'm here, sir.
Okay.
Sir. Chinenye's exam is coming up next week. It would be nice if you stop drinking because it is really affecting her. Believe me, it is really affecting her. See, there is no child that would love to see their parents in this position. Sir, please, sir, it is not too late for you to stop. Please, it will be better for you if you stop these hard drinks. Please, so that she can focus and do what she has to do. I mean, I know you'll be happy if...
Hi. Daddy, welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
What did you ask me?
I said, how are you?
I'm fine, Daddy. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, that's it? You awake?
Yes, Dad. I'm awake.
You want to say something?
Yes, Dad.
Go ahead.
Dad, I promise to pass my WAEC examinations and also to make you proud. In return, I want you to promise me that you will help my friend's father. Employ him in one of your companies and also help her further education.
You mean Chinenye?
Yes, Dad.
Queen has already mentioned it to me. I would do just that if that's what you want.
Thank you, Dad.
Duty
Thank you.
calls.
Thank you so much.
Duty calls.
Okay, I'll go back to my room.
Take your time.
All right. Good night, Dad.
I am trying to put this family together, but you need to help me to do it. You need me, and I need you. We need each other. I know it's not easy to accept. I say change is constant, but this is a good change. You need it, I need it, we need it. Can we live like a family, loving each other? If you give me the chance, then everything will be alright. Just give me the chance to prove everything will be okay. Just give me the chance. You need to lose enough. your past. Everything will be okay. Everything will be alright. I am trying to put this family together, but you need to help me to do it. You need me, and I need you. We need each other. I know it's not easy to accept. I say change is constant, but this is a good change. You need it, I need it, we need it. Can we live like a family, loving each other? If you give me the chance, then everything will be alright. Just give me the chance to prove to everything will be okay. Just give me the chance. You need to lose enough. Just get out of your past. Everything will be okay. Everything will be alright.
Wow.
Who is this one?
Wow.
Which one is what's this one? Who taught you wow?
Really?
Oh God.
Really? Oh,
Wait, is this what Abuja does with you?
Come on, please, don't start. Please, please, just stop.
Spin, Joe. Spin.
Okay.
Spin. It's the bling bling for me.
Please, just start. Just start. So good to see you.
Oh
So good to see you.
Welcome.
You're shining.
You look good.
I know. You don't have to tell me. Okay. Fine. Fine.
But
Come
your
on.
ears still the same.
Please, don't even start.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Anyways, you're shining.
Hmm.
You're looking good.
Is this what Abuja does to people?
Well, yes. Come
Fine
on.
boy, no pimple. Sorry.
Please, just stop.
Sorry.
I mean, where are you off to? You look dressed.
Well, I am going to the tailor shop.
Tailor shop. Oh, yes. I remember you said you're learning how to sew.
Yes.
Hmm.
Since I cannot touch the scalpel, I might as well do something close to it.
Please stop, Joe. Our result is not yet out. Besides, who said you're not going to the university?
I am being honest with myself. Do you know how much medical school costs? Do you?
Yes.
Eh? I beg. I'm just telling myself that you know you look. Daddy.
Nelson, my son. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Chinenye, I'm going to work now.
Okay.
So take care of the house, okay?
Yeah.
Take care, sir.
Thank you.
Your father gave him a job in his company. He looks cute.
Are you serious?
Yes.
That's good.
I know. Anyway, I need to get to the shop.
Huh? I came to see you now.
As per people that came back from Abuja.
See, you're not going anywhere. No, you're not going anywhere today. I came to see you.
No,
it's just you and I.
I need to walk.
No. You're not going anywhere. Chi?
So good to have you back, Nelson. Yeah, how are you?
I wish you could just go back to Abuja.
Huh? In your dreams.
Nelson!
Hey.
Hi, Etiko. Hi, hello. Hi. Hey.
What's up?
I'm fine. Hi. Our result is out. Our work result is out. Yes. I wanted to check it by myself, but I said no, I have to come here so we check it together. Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Mhm.
Wow. Are you sure?
Of course I am
What
sure.
are you waiting for? You guys should go and check your results.
We don't need to go anywhere. We can use his phone or a laptop.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I think laptop will be better.
But your phone is here.
No, laptop will be faster.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Your laptop then.
Yeah,
Yes.
let me get it.
Okay.
I hope you made your papers.
I did. I passed everything.
Okay.
I don't want to
Okay.
tell us.
I want to tell us.
The future exploits!
Yeah.
It tastes good, right?
Yeah.
It's a nice scotch.
Yeah, so once again to Nelson and Chinenye, congratulations on acing your exams.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Queen.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Chief, you know, gratitude is something that cannot be overemphasized. I want to thank you one more time for giving me this privilege and this opportunity. You know, my situation then, it's something that I don't wish anyone to experience. You really comforted a broken heart. Thank you so much, Chief. I and my family, we are grateful. We appreciate you.
Oh, it's nothing.
Thank you,
Oh,
sir.
save your breath. Save your breath. Honey, let me show him around. I have a new building almost to the finishing line.
Okay.
Let's go and take a look at it.
That's nice.
Excuse us for the moment.
Okay, Chief. Okay. So you guys should enjoy yourself. Nene? Pride of his father.
Latest graduate. Hey, you. Let's go to the kitchen. I mean, our guest deserves to eat something. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay. It's just the both of us. Yeah. What's your first choice of university?
University of Nigeria in Nsukka.
What?
What?
That is the same institution I chose too. Yes.
Nelson.
Come on.
Nelson, you specifically said to me that you would not choose a school in the East.
I said that.
That's what you said to me.
Oh no! That's
Did you?
No.
Did you
no.
change your school because of me? You changed your school. You changed your school because of, you changed your school because of me. Aww.
See, let me tell you. You think you will get rid of me, right?
Alright.
Well, no, you're stuck with me.
I wasn't getting rid of you. Cheers to us.
Yeah.
To what?
Just to friendship.
Just friendship.
Yeah. You know, I'm so happy you made it to this point. Yes.
Me too.
I'm happy everything is turning out in our favor.
Me too.
Come here.
No matter what we say in life storms, we still need somebody to help us shine. No matter what we think we have, we still need somebody by our side to help you to get up when you fall, and you when you're broken, even when you're suffocating, he is gonna help you to breathe again. Yes, someone, and that is someone too. We all need somebody to help us to breathe again. 'Cause you need me, and I need you. When you are down and you will think that you don't need nobody, and when you pain, you gonna need somebody to lean on.